Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to play Android games on your PC without using an emulator, let us jump straight in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So an emulator can sometimes be a little bit jumpy and not always as reliable. So we're going to go into imyphone.com/screen mirror. You can see over here, that's our URL. I'm going to leave it in the description below. You can just click on it. You'll get straight here. So what we want to do is we are going now to download the screen mirroring app for iOS and Android to our Windows PC. You can see over here on the top right hand side it is actually started. It is only 2.8 meg and it's the setup. We're going to click on that. You can find it in your downloads. If you're using a different browser, you can just navigate to your downloads. You can find it there. Over here, you are going to just say yes, you want to allow changes to be made. And here, we're going to just make sure that the tick is on the I've read and agreed to the license agreement. You can also customize your installation if you want. However, I do recommend that you just keep it as is. The best settings for your system have already been pre-recorded. So we are going to just hit install. You can see now that it will take some time to install. You can see now that it says successful installation. It has now just redirected us to a web page. We are going to just minimize that for now. We're going to open up that installer again, and it now says that we are able to start now. Now the next few steps, you need to have your device available, and you are going to connect your device in two possible ways. I'm going to show you those ways. We're going to say allow for the Windows firewall to unblock the app incoming, and from here you can see that we can download a couple other apps. We're gonna close this for now. The wall art feature, we're gonna close that as well. Over here you can see this is now the mirror to app that is opened. We can now choose our device. We are going to go in with the Android device, and over here you can see it's already identified my device, and this is because we're on the same Wi-Fi network, right? So there's two ways, and I mentioned it earlier, there's two ways to connect your devices, and that's either using the same Wi-Fi network, and then the other way of doing this is having your phone connected via USB to your computer, and this must be done with a data transfer cable, right? So you might be asked for some permissions on your cell phone. However, I was not asked for any permissions because we're on the same Wi-Fi network, so I wasn't asked anything. So I now have this coming up. All I need to do is tap on the agree over here, and this is now on my mobile device. I now have to log in, so we're going to use our email address that we are currently logged into now. So we're going to just go ahead. You can see now that we are in, and the functionality here is pretty simple. You can go ahead and full screen it. If you have a look over here on the top of the page, you'll have all your function keys, your keyboard options, and so forth. So you can now go ahead and actually play games right over here. So what you would do is go into your Play Store straight from here, and if you go to your home key, and from here you're going to go into your Play Store, and once you're in your Play Store you can now download a game that you would like to download, or you can just go ahead and look for the appropriate games that you need to play, and you can play it now all on your PC. Ladies and gentlemen, if this was helpful, you can drop us a like. Tell us in the comment section below, what game are you currently playing? We want to know. We'll see you in another awesome video. Happy gaming, people. Cheers.